Hello and welcome back. Today I'm very excited to launch my 20k subscriber giveaway. So firstly, I'm quite aware we have far surpassed 20,000 subscribers. We're over 22,000 subscribers, so a massive hello and thank you to everyone that has subscribed to me. So I do try to do monthly giveaways, but because we hit 20k, I've been trying to get an assortment of prizes together so that I can do a really special sort of giveaway for you guys for hitting 20,000 subscribers. So a massive thank you, because I reached out to a couple of the companies that I've worked with to see if they donate any prizes for my 20k giveaway prize, and a whole bunch of them come in with some absolutely cracking prizes. So the way this is going to work, you enter the giveaway by leaving me a question down in the comments section, and I'll use them for future Q&A videos that I do on a Saturday with the 10p hunts. And I will use a random name picker from that's online using my tablet, which I did on the last giveaway, and it worked out really nice. So there will be 4 winners. So the giveaway will be open for 3 weeks from today. It'll close 3 weeks from today, and that weekend I will draw the 4 winners using the random name picker. Now you will then have a 2-week window where you need to contact me. If the 2 weeks elapse, then I will move on to the next person, because obviously I'll pick 4 winners. Person 1, 2, 3, 4. Speak to person 4, they'll get to pick what prize they want. And then they'll pick. I'll go on to person number 2, see what prize number 2 wants. Then winner number 3, and say number 3 doesn't get in contact with me, I will wait 2 weeks. But if I haven't heard from you within 2 weeks of drawing you as the winner, I will move on to person number 3, and I will draw a 4th winner for that final prize. So I haven't done this before, I haven't set deadlines on giveaways before, but I have had a giveaway prize that still hasn't been claimed from December. So hopefully this will mean that at least someone will guarantee to win the prize. So what are the prizes then? Well, let's get into it. First prize comes from Change Checker, who I worked with doing a hunt against them, and unfortunately they absolutely smashed me. Now I have had a look at this, and it's a really neat sort of coin collection book. So that's the front page. I haven't put them all in the slots, but you can see you've got, so this one is for the VE day, as you can see there. It's got information about the coin there, and the coin slots in here with a cool sort of pictures. You got VE day, Battle of Hastings, World War One, which one's that? Lord of Kitchener, Great Fire of London, Sir Isaac Newton, my favourite 50p. What else have we got? Gunpowder Plot, Charles Darwin, and then 2 more. Oh no, Magna Carta as well, and then 2 more. And I've popped these in to show you what they look like in their sort of plastic binders. So that they would look really snazzy. All of these, a bunch of coins in it. I think this is a smashing product. I think it's very, very cool the way that these are made. So that's prize number 1. Pop this off to the side now. Prize number 2. You should all know about this, because I bought 2 silver-proof Gruffalos. So this is a prize that I've paid for. The rest have been sent to me for free. It is a silver-proof Gruffalo 50p. 2019 Gruffalo. It has a certificate of authenticity, number 21505. And that is prize number 2. Prize number 3 is from the Coin Supplier. You may remember I went through these. I've actually grabbed the gloves the London Mint office sent me, so I can get them out and show you. I'm sure some of you are going to be absolutely thrilled with the chance to get some of these. So they are gold plated. Ooh. Gold plated Great British landmarks. You can see the Angel of the North there. That one's the Shard. Big Ben. Stonehenge. And the Clifton Suspension Bridge. So I'll turn this one over so you can see Great British landmarks there. Very cool. Well, that's from the coin supplier who sent me this for free to do a review on, and I thought I'd include it in my giveaway. And then the final prize, which you would have all seen last week, it comes with Battle of Britain DVD. It comes with a Battle of Britain information book. It comes with this piece of cardboard, but it also comes with this gigantic medal, which hopefully I can show you, but it's so reflective. So it's silver layered with gold finish on the eagle there. 75 years of the Battle of Britain. Absolutely stunning. It's got the names of all the countries that supported the UK in the Battle of Britain, and it's got a whole bunch of different roles, ranks and whatnot on there as well. So an absolutely stunning medal. I know a lot of you have been messaging me saying you're excited to win that, and excited for this giveaway in general. So like I said, to enter you need to subscribe to me, like this video, leave me a question down in the comments section, which I will randomly draw someone from. But a massive thank you to all the companies that have worked with me on this. I will link down in the description and on the end screen over to their channels, for those of them, the two of them that have YouTube channels. But massive thank you to Change Checker, to the coin supplier, and also to the London Mint offices for these absolutely cracking prizes. So if you've got a moment, if you go over to their channels and just say a massive thank you from me, because it'll signal to them that you guys are really appreciative of these prizes as much as I am. So I will go once more through how you enter. Let's bring my prize in. Like I said, enter, leave me a question down in the comments section. I will pick 4 of those as the winners. The first person I pick will get first choice of the prizes, second person will get second choice, so on and so forth. If any of the winners don't get into contact with me within 2 weeks of the prize draw video going up, I will move on to the next person and draw another winner. So I hope that explains it all. If you have any questions on that, hop on Discord, send me a message. I will I'll answer it for you there, or contact me on Twitter. I'm at @C_collect, and I will be able to answer your questions there. So all that leaves me to do is thank you so much for watching. Thanks to all the companies for sending me all these amazing products to give away to you. I hope you enjoyed. I'll cross my fingers and good luck to you all, and I will see you next time for more coins. Bye.